Hello, my name is Patricia Watkins. I'm the Managing Partner of M.O.R.E Sales Advisors. I'm a keynote speaker. I conduct seminars, webinars, and workshops. I'm a sales coach and a consultant and a best-selling author. I'm also a board member. I've been an SVP, VP of Sales for over 20 years. I've worked for Fortune 500 companies such as HP, Teradata, AT&T, and others, as well as startups. I've led sales teams regionally, nationally, and globally. I've led new teams at $0 driving to over $100 million in 1 year, as well as many existing teams. One team grew from 500 million to over 800 million in sales in 1 year. And I've transformed several teams from worst to first. I'm also a best-selling author. I've written 2 books, Driving More Sales and Land and Expand. A little bit more on those. Driving More Sales, 12 Essential Elements, was an Amazon bestseller in 6 categories. And the background on that book is I had worked with several startups and found many were led by non-sales executives. And those executives really wanted to learn more about the best practices for both sales, marketing, and operations. This book is also a great book for salespeople. Land and Expand, 6 simple strategies to grow your company's top and bottom line. People who read my first book asked me to write a second book on this very topic. The target for this book is all companies of all sizes who want to expand their business most effectively with proven practices. This book will be available in the summer of 2020.